I have somebody that's kind of new at internet marketing that asked me how do you upload a file from your computer using FileZilla to get it to run on your AngryHosting website account. I use AngryHosting because it's so cheap and you don't need to buy a domain name. You can build a subdomain off theirs, and that way you get $1 a month. You can host a ton of splash pages and use them all you want, and it's really cheap, and I think that's a heck of a lot better than any free website. So anyway, let's get to it. I want to sign into my account, so you just go to angryhosting.com and log in, and it just brings up your account and it shows what you're paying. But I'm going to click over here on a little arrow you can't see and click on my user profile. It's this server name that we need right here. So we just need to grab that server name right there, right click it, and copy it. Then you open up FileZilla and you navigate to the place where you keep your splash pages. In this case, mine is in my documents under splash pages. Pick out the splash page you want to add up there. Let's just rename this one. I'm no longer using this, so I'm going to rename it and call it test. Test today, because that way I know I'll have a place for it. Now I need to get onto my web hosting account, so the easy way is come right up here and paste in that link that I showed you. Put in your username, put in your password, and say quick connect. Now I'm on my AngryHosting web server right here. Double click on your username, double click on HTML, and if I want this test today, which contains a complete code for everything I need for my splash page, come down here so you get into the files area. Just click on this once and then click and drag it over here and let it go. Now if you look in the test today, there's all the files in that particular splash page. Now if I open up my browser and I type in there the address, oldbuddy.angryhosting.com/test today, there's my splash page. That's all there is to it. Have fun with this, and we'll see you online.